Hello, my gorgeous gastronomes and vampires. Welcome to T-Rex Steel City Mukbang. Where will this food journey take you today? Pull up a seat. Let's eat. Hey guys, how you doing? I want to thank all my subscribers, old and new. I love you guys. And to those of you who have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Lemon pepper crack. We got some honey. Yeah. Some hot sauce. Yeah. We got the Bubly coconut and pineapple. And it's bomb. It's bomb. I'm gonna tell you how I found it. First of all, you can get it at Walmart. You can get it at Walmart. But I went looking for some lime Bubly yesterday. Now you know that's my go-to when I can't find the Canada Dry sparkling water. Bubly is my go-to, but Bubly is getting ready to become my number one. Quickly. But they didn't have the lime. Nowhere. I tried 3 stores. I saw this and I kept thinking, I don't want to waste the money if I am not gonna like that. So I needed some sparkling water. So I said, let me try it. I just bought 1 case, 8-pack. I went back today and got another one. That coconut flavor. I mean, I really can't taste the pineapple. I taste all coconut and it is so good. I mean, maybe I can smell pineapple a little bit. Maybe just a hint, but I'm tasting coconut. Yeah. this is it. It's gonna be lime or coconut bubly. I'm gonna try some of the other flavors too. I've had blackberry. It's good, I like it, but not like this or the lime. It's a good fallback flavor. Blackberry. That's gonna be the crunch right there. Watch. That's gonna be it. I have to bite it on this side because I have a chipped crown over here. I don't want to bite it over there. And the funny thing is, I didn't chip the crown on chicken. Chipped it on a fingernail. Nail biter. I want to get it fixed, but they're probably going to charge me like a cosmetic fee. I don't have that. In other words, insurance won't cover it. Yeah. Hey guys, guess what? Today makes 13 weeks. 13 weeks, no alcohol. And the weight continues to melt off. Okay. Speaking of that, I'm tapping out. I'm a little bit full. This is gonna be my snack later on. But peace out, my gastronomes and vampires. I will see you soon.